Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a beautiful and functional bathroom set for your bathroom? Look no further. This beautiful bathroom set is just lovely. Look at the color, this beautiful gray and chrome. It's made of a durable plastic material. I've dropped a couple things and nothing is broken, so that's the thing I love most about it. It also comes with 6 pieces. It comes with a toilet scrubber, that's wonderful, a trash can, a soap dispenser, a toothbrush holder, a cup, and a bar soap holder. So you get a lot of things for your money in this, and everything works really well. It's very durable, like I said, and it looks beautiful. This trash can is really one of my favorite pieces of this whole set. I love the size of it. It fits perfectly even in tight spaces right beside the toilet there. And I love that it has this rotating top piece, and you can cover up the things that you have in your trash can. That way the guests can't see it, which is nice. And it's easily removable, and then you can put the top back on after you empty it. Here's a quick little video of the toothbrush holder. I love that everything comes apart very easily and you can clean it very easily and then put it back together. And again, I love the durability of all this. I live in a busy house with kids and pets, and things get dropped all the time. And these things are really durable. They withstand my family. So this bathroom set is beautiful, it's functional, and it would be a great gift for a new homeowner. But that's just my point of view.